Hello everyone, on Dinh Duy Cuong's YouTube channel, every day we will upload a video answering students' questions at 8 p.m. If you don't want to miss any of our upcoming videos, please feel free to click the subscribe button and the bell icon. This way, next time we release new content, you'll be the very first to see it. In today's video, we are going to answer a specific question that I see not only my own students, but also many other people outside are very eager to have answered. That is, how to properly print a diagram with a specific date line clearly displayed on the detail. Normally, if you print a diagram, for example, like this, I will show you how to print the diagram right now. Go ahead and send this over to the block. In most normal circumstances, if you print the diagram, you can select all of your preferred settings right here, right? Annotation. So when you open the diagram that you want to print, it will only look like this. Wait just a moment, it will only look like this. If you want to have the date here, you'll need to follow these steps. In the annotation section, you will open the specific annotation file. When you open this window, you'll see the first default line. Click on the three-dot button and look at the bottom line. If you want to add the date on the bottom line, click on the last line, then look at the left column, annotation time. Click on date. Date means the date. Line number 13. Everyone. Click on S and it will move over here showing DT. After that, click OK. Now click Save and close this window. Click Process again. Now open the diagram that you just sent and take a look. Here, I'll open it in detail. You can immediately see that the date is displayed here. This is a question that I see a lot of people are interested in. And if you want to learn more about Google software, you can check out the course at PDF Academy. If you need advice, you can message me on Zalo using the phone number displayed on the screen and I will consult with you. Goodbye and see you again in the next Q&A sessions.